Myself NAVEEN. I am from Chikbalapur district and I did my bachelor's in Bangalore Institute of Technology in the stream of PCE, and my throughout percentage is 70%, and I recently got placed to Subex company with a package of 4 LPA. Then I joined JSpiders on August 8th. When in JSpiders, I was joined as a Java to learn Java full stack developer, and while joining I have zero knowledge about the programming and all. While joining here only I get some skills to how to learn the programming languages, and I will especially thanks to the faculties Rahul sir, Anupam ma'am, Akshay sir, who taught us and helped me to learn Java. And I would like to thank Salman sir, Subramani sir and Siran sir, who taught us Java technology. And I would like to thank all HR who were the responsible to given requirements to me. And I would like to thank Councillors Pradeep sir. And when here JSpiders Hebbal, they provide presentations and mock rating also. Presentation which is helpful to develop our skills and improve our presentation skills also, and communication skills. And while come to mock rating, based this will give the confidence to everyone. We can clear interviews like that. And I would like to thank all faculties which are present in the JSpiders, and thank you about that.